Good morning. Where are we headed to? Yes. Like somebody answer.
Gas Valley of Flowers. Gas Pathar.
Why is it
Not
called
Pathar.
Pathar?
Pathar.
I thought it was Pathar actually. So we're hoping that there are beautiful flowers there. Yeah, we can see some yellow flowers now. I'm hoping there are some pink flowers. And you remember the kind of photograph I want, right? There are some small pink flowers which are very cute. Grass is full of grass. Since Kars was such a letdown, we thought we should make the most out of our trip and explore the land. So we spotted something very weird. There are these huge stone structures which look like forts, but they're actually just stones.
And this is for Divya.
Thank you so much!
Walking in this hot sun, in this lush green field, and trying to balance the umbrella because there's too much wind. And because there's too much wind, there's something else that we want to show you, which is
Windmills! Windmills! So we've come to see a windmill farm. Look at those windmills, they're huge! After the amazing windmills, we're now on our way to Thausegar waterfalls. Let's see if there is water in the waterfall. Otherwise, it will be a water fail.